Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Like, who gonna know I didn't just box braid my hair? Like, hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Carol the Diva, and I have a good one for you today, so let's get into it. So I have this boho knotless braid wig right here. I am gonna be putting this on today, and I tried something like this before for you guys on here, and I realized y'all love it so much, so why not do another one? So the wig is from the company called Lockbraids, just showing y'all right there, and of course I'm gonna link everything down in the description box like I always do, but I'm just letting y'all know where it's from because I know that question is gonna come up if I don't. So with the wig, I got these clips, I got a edge brush, boom, and I got this elastic band for my edges. I actually really like that one for some reason. I guess because I love zebra print so much, so I really do like this one a lot. So next we have wig cap. I got that for free also with the wig. I'm already wearing one of them, so I'm not gonna be putting this one on my head today. So let's get the wig out the bag, okay? So here's the wig, you guys. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I love this color so much. I cannot wait to put it on and see what it looks like against my skin. I mean, it already looks good, so I just know it's gonna be fire. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, where the braids are, before I take the papers out, so you guys could see. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now that looks good, and it's gonna be like that all the way through the wig. Look at that. So when you're wearing this wig, it's gonna look like you actually have box braids going on in your scalp. It's a 360 wig, which means you could put the wig up in a ponytail, and it has a band inside that's gonna help to secure it on your head. It has some clips in it, which you don't have to keep them in there either. Just in case you don't use the clips, you could also cut them out, but I usually keep them. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like just straight out the box. I'm gonna have to cut, you know, the lace off and fix the baby hair up. I think I'm also gonna add some foundation onto the lace, you know, just to have it more, the color of it closer to my skin tone, either foundation or bronzer. And let's show the back also what it looks like. So the back, I will put it here. So this is what it looks like now, guys, that I added the bronzer onto the lace, and I added it more towards where the hair is. I didn't really put it down this part here. When I tell you this hair is so soft, oh my goodness, it feels so good. Oh my gosh. So I'm just brushing the hair out the way right now because I'm about to cut the lace off of it. The first thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna cut this off right here. So I like the way that looks. Perfect. Let's do this one. This is also perfect. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is melt the wig down, and to do that I'm gonna be using this right here. And let me tell you guys, this is it. This right here, this is what you need. This is what you need. It works amazing, and this is not my first time using it. Y'all seen me use it before. I'm gonna do it in sections. So I'm gonna just cut the wig up like that right there, and on this side right there, and now I'm just gonna fold it back like so, and I'm gonna spray my melting spray right here all the way around, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit until it's tacky, you know, like a little tacky, and after that I'm gonna go ahead and spray another layer on top of it. And this, guys, is a secret to hold your wig on, just using melting spray. Like, it's not going nowhere. And again, I'm gonna let it dry down until it's tacky, and then I'll put the lace on it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the lace down. I'm just gonna start with the front here, and I notice I have some flyaways, so we're gonna get rid of that by just combing it back in like that. and at the same time I'm pressing the wig into the melting spray. And there it is, it's not moving, but I'm gonna go ahead and tie the elastic band on it just so it really don't move, and let it stay there until it's completely dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off of it. I just love the way the lace melts into it, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer on the lace right here because it still looks too light to me. Wow, do y'all see that? Doing the back is gonna be a little bit more challenging just because I can't see it, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some got2b glue on it first. I'm just gonna put it all on the back right here. Then I'm gonna spray some of my freeze spray, of course. I'm gonna pull it down on there now. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer onto the lace in the back also. Y'all, these edges are long, so if you're one of those people that like a lot of baby hair, they definitely got you. And if you don't, you could cut them down. So this is what we're working with. I'm not a big fan of the baby hair, to tell you the truth, but I had to do something with them. I feel like I could have cut them down a little bit shorter, but this is it. I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look of the hair. I am so in love. I was gonna add some water on it, you know, just to bring some curls in more and whatever, but it just looked good to me this way, so I didn't bother getting it wet. Plus I'm cold. It's cold. It's like 30 something degrees outside, so I'm not trying to get nothing wet right now. But this is the look of it. I'm just gonna show y'all, you know, like some up close view of the hair, and then I'll go back and show y'all from a further angle. But y'all, look at this. Look at this. Like, who gonna know I didn't just box braid my hair? Like, who gonna know? Because I know y'all not gonna tell, right? Who gonna know? I didn't just box braid my hair. Like, look how good that looked. It looks so good. I absolutely love it. It feels really good too. This is amazing. The way how it feels is really nice. Let's fix that. I kind of like it like this, you know, to the side. Does that make sense? Our part on the side, I like it this way. I think I like it better this way than if I had it down the middle, but I guess I wouldn't even be able to get it down the middle if I try, but this is good. I like it this way. So this is how I'm gonna be rocking. I'm gonna take the mic off, I'm gonna back up and show y'all the full length. Look up at the camera with them fingers. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Okay, y'all, so since I was backed away from the camera, I wasn't talking, but let's get back to talking some more about this wig that I absolutely love so much. One of the things I really love about it too is the color. I was not expecting to like this color at all when I first saw it, but it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. Like when I opened it out the pack, I could tell that it was gonna be a really nice color, but when I saw it on the website, I wasn't so sure, but I was like, try anything once, right? Anyway, y'all, because I know some of you are gonna ask about the makeup. I didn't do a full YouTube tutorial, but I'm gonna post a short on it, okay? So look out for that. But if you like this wig, y'all, you already know all the details for it. It's gonna be down below in the description box. Again, it's from Lockbraids, and I've done so many wigs for them. I did one wig for them looking just like this one, but it was black. I did a half wig where you could wear a scarf, a hair scarf, or wear a hat on top of it. And you know, like just in case you're like rushing out the house or you just don't feel like doing your hair or whatever. But yeah, they have all these nice wigs and they all look like this, like boho style. So you definitely need to go check them out. It's so worth it. They're one of the best wig company I've worked with. Whoa! Seriously, Winter? Seriously? Okay. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by that cat. Definitely go on their website, go check out their wigs and stuff like that. Like I said, it's one of the best wig company I've worked with. Y'all, you're not gonna be disappointed. They have some really nice box braid wigs. So go over there, thank me later. Anyway, if you guys enjoy this video, I would love it if you would subscribe, leave me a like, a comment, yada yada yada. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.